Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set the exposure compensation on Sony ZV-E10 II. So to do that, basically you have to turn on the camera and then press the down D-pad key. This will take you to exposure compensation menu, or it may also tell you that you have the intelligent auto mode enabled, which you do by default. In order to change it, you have to press menu button and then scroll left to the sidebar, scroll down to shooting. In shooting, we're gonna have to select shooting mode, press OK, then go to shoot mode and change to any other shoot mode other than intelligent auto. It can be even program auto. Now we can adjust the exposure compensation using left and right arrow keys, and to save this value, to apply it, click OK. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.